Welcome back to the Career Blueprint. Forget expensive degrees. Today, you just need Wi-Fi and some discipline. The biggest myth, that you need a 4-year degree and debt to land a high-income job. That's outdated. The internet has democratized education. You can learn the most valuable in-demand skills for free, right from your desk. Today, I'll show you 5 skills companies are desperate for, skills that can seriously boost your earning potential. We'll break down what each skill is, why it matters, and exactly where to learn it for free. If you're feeling stuck or want to level up your resume without breaking the bank, this is your cheat sheet. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just a clear, actionable roadmap to a future-proof you. Really quickly before we get started, I'd like to say thanks for being here and remind you that we release new content frequently on this channel. So if you enjoy our videos, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. It's free for you, and it helps us get more folks to see our videos. Okay, let's dive in. First up, copywriting, the art and science of using words to persuade. Copywriting is everywhere. The website that makes you sign up, the email that gets you to click, the ad that makes you buy. In a world drowning in content, clear and compelling copy is gold. Every business needs to communicate what they do, why they're better, and why you should care. A good copywriter can turn words into revenue, and that's why companies pay top dollar. You could freelance, work in-house, or specialize in content strategy, UX writing, or email marketing. The demand is huge and growing. So how do you learn it for free? Start with Copyblogger, an incredible resource packed with practical advice and real-world examples. Then check out HubSpot Academy for free certification courses in content and email marketing. Both offer structured, actionable lessons. But don't just read, practice. Start a blog, rewrite a local business's website, or analyze ads you see. The more you write and break down what works, the better you get. All you need is Google Docs and an internet connection. Copywriting is about understanding people, not fancy tools. It's a meta skill. It improves your emails, presentations, even your resume. Once you learn it, you'll see the world differently. Every ad, every website becomes a lesson. To recap, copywriting is writing to persuade. It's valuable because it drives sales. Learn for free on Copyblogger and HubSpot Academy. Practice is key. Build a portfolio as you go. This is modern-day wizardry, selling with words. Once you get it, you'll never look at a website or ad the same way again. You'll spot the strategy, the psychology, the call to action. It's a skill that pays dividends for life, no matter where your career goes. Ready to start? Grab those free resources and get writing. Let's move to the next skill. Next up, data analysis. Don't let the spreadsheet scare you. This is one of the most future-proof skills out there. Data analysis means turning raw numbers into insights that drive business decisions. Every click, purchase, and interaction online creates data, but it's useless unless someone can interpret it. Data analysts translate numbers into stories, helping companies see what's working and what's not. This skill is in demand everywhere. Tech, finance, healthcare, retail, you name it. Job titles range from data analyst to marketing analyst to business analyst. You might build dashboards, analyze customer behavior, or spot trends that save companies money. Want to learn for free? Start with the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera. Audit for free. For the math basics, Khan Academy's statistics and probability courses are perfect. Practice is crucial. Grab free datasets from Kaggle, play with them in Google Sheets or Excel, and look for patterns. Mastering spreadsheets is step 1. YouTube is packed with free tutorials on Excel and Google Sheets. As you grow, add SQL and data visualization tools to your toolkit. The journey is step-by-step: spreadsheets, then databases, then visualization. Curiosity is your superpower. If you love solving puzzles, this is for you. To recap, data analysis is about finding the story in the numbers. It's valuable because every company needs to make smarter decisions. Learn for free with Google's course and Khan Academy. Practice with real data, build your skills, and you'll be an Excel ninja in no time. This is a field that rewards curiosity and logical thinking. The tools are free, the demand is high, and the opportunities are everywhere. If you like asking why and finding answers, data analysis could be your perfect fit. Ready to dig into the numbers? Let's keep going. Next up, a skill for the creatives. Let's talk graphic design. Onward. Now, for the creatives. Graphic design, the art of visual communication. It's about using images, typography, and color to convey a message or create an experience. Good design builds trust and makes brands memorable. Bad design, it turns customers away. Every company needs a visual identity. Logos, websites, social media graphics, ads. Career paths are diverse. Brand designer, UI/UX designer, marketing designer, freelancer. Where to start for free? Canva Design School offers beginner-friendly courses on color, typography, and branding. Canva itself is a free, easy-to-use design tool. For software skills, YouTube is packed with tutorials on Figma for UI/UX and even Photoshop or Illustrator. Learn a principle, then apply it. Design a simple web page, create a logo, or build a brand mood board. Don't worry if you're not an artist. Design is about problem solving and clear communication. Build your portfolio by redesigning logos or websites for local businesses, even if just for practice. Show your process and your thinking. To recap, graphic design is essential for brand trust and recognition. Learn the basics for free at Canva Design School and master tools with YouTube tutorials. It's a creative, strategic skill that solves real business problems. Plus, you'll always have the best-looking resume and presentations. Design is everywhere. Learn it, and you'll use it for life. Ready to create? Let's move to the next high-value skill. Next up, web development. Let's build something. Fourth on our list, web development, building the websites and apps we use every day. Every business needs a website. Many need complex web apps. If you can build them, you're in demand. Career options are huge. Front-end, what users see. Back-end, the logic and databases, or full stack, both. The freelance market is massive, and companies everywhere need developers. Learning to code can be tough, but the free resources are incredible. Start with Free Code Camp, an interactive platform that takes you from HTML basics to advanced projects. The Odin Project is another great project-based curriculum that teaches you by building real things. Focus on the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Master these, and you'll have a solid foundation. Don't get overwhelmed by all the frameworks. Start simple. As you build projects, upload them to GitHub. It's free. Your GitHub becomes your portfolio. Coding is about problem solving and persistence. You'll get stuck, but that's part of the process. To recap, web development is building the digital world. It's valuable because every business runs on the web. Learn for free with Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. Build projects, show your work, and you'll stand out. There's a real magic in seeing your code come to life. If you can code, you can build anything online. Ready to become an internet architect? Let's finish strong. Our final skill, digital marketing. Let's go. Last but not least, digital marketing, the engine that drives business growth online. Digital marketing covers everything from SEO and social media to email and online ads. It's how companies find customers, build awareness, and turn clicks into sales. Job titles are varied: SEO specialist, social media manager, PPC specialist, content marketer. The best part? The industry giants offer world-class free training. Google Digital Garage's Fundamentals of Digital Marketing is a recognized, comprehensive certification. HubSpot Academy offers free courses in inbound and social media marketing. Meta Blueprint teaches you how to run effective ads on Facebook and Instagram. Digital marketing is about being data-driven. Track what works, experiment, and optimize. Start your own project, a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram account. Apply what you learn and build a real portfolio. To recap, digital marketing is the art and science of growing a business online. It's valuable because it's directly tied to revenue. Learn for free from Google, HubSpot, and Meta. Practice by growing your own project. This skill demystifies how the internet economy works. You'll learn to turn attention into results without being an influencer. It's a dynamic, ever-changing field with endless opportunity. Ready to drive growth? Let's wrap up. Here's how to get started. Your turn. There you have it. 5 high-value skills you can learn online for free. The resources are world-class and waiting for you. No more excuses. You don't need a degree or a trust fund. Just start, stay consistent, and use Google. Pick the skill that excites you most and dive in. Don't overthink it. Just begin. Every step forward is progress, even if it's tough at first. The blueprint is here. Now it's your turn to build. I can't wait to see what you create. Smash that like button if you're ready to level up for $0. Subscribe for more career hacks and comment with the skill you're tackling first. Until next time, this is the Career Blueprint, signing off.